work pages 13 and 14, focusing on coordinates. Remember, with coordinates, you must go along the corridor and then up the stairs from the centre. So for question 1A, gone 3 along the corridor and 2 up the stairs, which is why the coordinates are 3, 2. Now it asks us to plot this point, so that's saying nothing along the corridor from the middle and 3 up the stairs, and label it Q. So put a cross and the letter Q. Now it's saying plot this coordinate. So it's a negative, so I don't go along this corridor, I go in the opposite direction. So I've got 2 along the corridor in the opposite direction. Now I'm not going to go 2 up the stairs because it's not positive. I'm going to go 3 down the stairs. 2 along the corridor to the left, 3 down the stairs, and label that with R. Question 2, write the coordinates of A. So A from the centre, from the origin, O for origin, 0, is nothing along the corridor and 2 up the stairs. And B is 4 along the corridor and 1 up the stairs. It says mark the midpoint of the line. So I went 4 along the corridor. So now I'm going to go in the middle and halfway, and it says mark it with a cross. Right, question number 3, write down the coordinates of point A. So from the origin, from the 0, we're going to go 2 along the corridor. Notice I'll leave my finger marking where I've got to, so now I'm going to go up the stairs, and I'm going to go up 6 places. Then it asks you to write down the coordinates of point B. So from the origin, from there, I go nothing along the corridor and I go straight 4 steps up the stairs. Now it's asking us to mark the point 6, 4, so that's 6 along the corridor, and then for the next 3 along the corridor and nothing up the stairs. Right, let's move on to the next page. Just get it lined back up, and we are there. Then it asks you to write down the coordinates of A. So we start from the origin, we're not moving in that direction, we're moving across to the negative number. So it's 4 along the corridor, but it's negative, and then I'm still going up the stairs, so it is 3 up the stairs, and that is positive. And then for C, there's C, I'm going 1 along the corridor, but I'm not going up the stairs. Then it asks in part B, mark on the grid point D so the ABC is a rectangle. Well, let's draw that rectangle in so far. So that must be point D, and then it asks you to write down the coordinates. So I'm going 4 along the corridor, but it's negative, and I'm not going up or down the stairs. Question 5, write down the coordinates of A. So from the middle, it is 2 along the corridor, 1 up the stairs. Point B, from the middle, I'm going 2, but it's to negative 2 along the corridor, 3 up the stairs. Then it asks you to mark with a cross the point -3, so go -3 along the corridor, -1, so that is 1 down the stairs, and label it with C. Last question, let's just get it into view the question. Write down the coordinates of this point. So it's 2 along the corridor, 3 up the stairs. Coordinate B, 3 along the corridor from the middle, but it's negative because it's going the opposite way, 1 up the stairs. Then it asks you to mark this point. So that is 3 along the corridor, 4 down the stairs. And that is the end of the coordinates section.